I just counted and I have 50 sweaters. It's not like I'm trying to brag, it's actually like I need help. Happy Sunday, guys. I have been sort of MIA with these weekly vlogs. I feel like it got a little repetitive and boring, so now I'm just gonna basically upload on Sundays when I have something kind of interesting to share with you guys, so that way it's not like a repetitive weekly vlog. Today I'm excited because I'm cleaning out my closet and I have a friend helping me like just do all of that, organize my life, because right now my room is chaotic. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you already know, because I always share my messy room on stories. And so today we're gonna put my outfits and just kind of coordinate them, maybe style some pieces and get rid of things that I don't wear. So I'm so excited. She's actually probably almost here, so I'm just trying to get ready quickly. I have some concealer all over and now I'm just gonna apply some mascara. I've got my bronzer and that's it. And then I'm putting on this Christian Dior lip balm. It's so nourishing and luxurious. I love this lip balm. It's like a no makeup makeup. I just want it to be like sort of put together because I just got back from the gym, showered quickly, and I didn't want to look like a, you know, boy with no makeup on. So, oh, there she is.
Yeah, I had this.
Okay, I don't know how to wear that.
Yeah. Nope.
No, okay.
We're moving on. The little pieces get everywhere and it's very, very, very loud.
Okay.
No, too overwhelming.
What is that?
Look at this.
Why do I have that?
You have to be that tall.
Why do I have that? It's hard when you have to do it yourself.
Because
right?
you're personally attached to it and you kind of feel like you said you were going to wear it and you wanted to wear it, but you couldn't. But that's okay.
So it's better to have like a friend or someone to help with these kinds of things, right?
Yeah, because my eye is different than yours. I'm coming in and I don't have the emotional attachment to these as you do.
Yeah.
If you do.
No.
Okay. I love this.
Yeah?
This
I have it in 2 colors.
Yes, this is great. This is amazing. This reminds me of you.
Okay.
This feels like you. Okay, now you have these pieces instead of all of these colors. And this feels really good.
Yeah.
You know? These feels like things you can gravitate towards.
Now I only have one.
Right, it's black and it's lightweight.
Yeah.
It's not loud and it goes with everything.
Yeah.
Because if you have 4, but you're not even wearing them, what's the point?
Is this giving you anxiety yet? Getting rid of all of that and organizing all my shoes. Oh, I'm so excited.
Okay, let's go through this.
We're really taking the time to decide on this sweater.
I said yes, but only with vintage denim.
Perfect. Okay, what is that? Is that?
I want to live in this.
Yeah, it's cozy,
It's
but
cozy.
gosh, yes. Okay.
But not like for real life.
No. I love you, Angela.
I love you. Okay, these are my nose.
Okay, perfect.
These are nose. This is very peely. I don't really like the weight of it.
Yeah.
And I think it's a little dated.
Yeah, let's get rid of that.
Okay. This looks fun.
Yeah, it's fun. It's cozy.
Yeah, I really like that.
Keep it? Okay. What are we looking for that you're just more the shape?
Yeah, it's about a shape.
Okay.
It's about a cropped, kind of big bloussant, but something that you can have like this, that you can zhuzh, that you can wear multiple layers.
Okay.
Earrings, high neck, turtlenecks with blazers. It's all about, like, this is a great boxy fit.
Yeah.
You can zhuzh the sleeves, but it's cropped, so you can kind of tuck it in if you need to. Or you can have it go over your pants.
So we've got this pile here, and then this pile we're selling, and then we've got more piles in that other room. This is all I'm left with.
This is it.
It feels so good. Like, seriously. I was just holding on to all of this and never wearing them. It was just like cluttering my life.
Cluttering your mind.
And mind, yes. So now, Angela's gonna help me style some pieces because she's amazing. I'm gonna put all her links below.
Thank you. And changing out pink hangers to black hangers.
She doesn't like pink, y'all.
Oh, you said y'all. That's cute.
Yeah, this is great. This is like airport ready. Perfect.
Yeah. I mean, you can even do these.
Yeah.
Depends. I mean, that's why getting rid of all of this stuff was so great because now you can literally wear any shoe with this.
Yeah, I'm not mad at that.
No. You know what? It's like color for you, so it's actually bringing some of what you like as far as color.
That's true.
But keeping it tonal.
Alright guys, so Angela just left. God bless her soul because she helped me so much. I swear, if you guys have any friends that could help you with the process, it's so much better than doing it yourself, because I feel like sometimes, like she was saying earlier, you do have kind of like an emotional attachment to certain things, but it's just like outdated, or it doesn't flatter your body, or the style is just like doesn't work. So it's nice for someone else to be like, this has to go, you know? I'm so happy she came. Granted, she is like a professional stylist and she's very talented. Obviously, she's got amazing style. So my closet used to look really cluttered and messy. We got rid of all of that. I'm gonna show you guys the other closet because it's completely empty. But basically what we're getting rid of is all that. This is probably the Goodwill pile, and I know that some of this stuff is designer, but it's so worn out. Like those shoes I've had for maybe 10 years. Like they're in the worst possible condition. This is the little pile that I'm gonna try and sell. Like those Levi's jeans, they're gorgeous and everything, but like the fit, it just doesn't work with my body anymore, and I bought those like a really long time ago. And then from the shoes, this is all that we're keeping. I think the only thing she wanted to get rid of that I said no to were these Gucci slides. I know that they're really worn out and like super old, and I've had them for a long time, but I do have like amazing memories in it. I've traveled a lot with them, so I'm just like, you know what, no, we're not gonna get rid of them, we're gonna keep them. But everything else, like I really was on board with her. Okay, so now I'm gonna go into this other room. So this is another pile that's going to the Goodwill. This is just like trash because it's just like, you know, really old t-shirts and like things that have holes in them. This is a closet that used to be full. Basically, it was full of all of those things that I just was not wearing anymore. Some of these things I literally have had for so long and it just was giving me anxiety. And so now look at this, like literally empty, and I think I'm just gonna give this to KB. I'm just so happy to have all of my clothes in one area. What I'm gonna do next is actually redecorate that room, because what I want to do is film from home more. I used to film from home a lot more than I do now, so it's gonna be nice to kind of like organize that room and make it pretty for like YouTube filming. Usually I'll sit like right here and film, and this would be my background, but it would be kind of nice to have like a cute little background in the other room. So super excited about that. That should happen sometime in February because I'm determined to get my life organized, and I just kind of wanted to show you guys this process and hopefully motivate you to do the same, declutter, get rid of things that just don't bring value to your life. I read the book, I think it's called Tidy Up, and there's also like a documentary on it on Netflix. And when I read it, I literally went through and threw away so much stuff, but I couldn't get rid of, like I said, some of the things that just felt like I had like an emotional attachment to it, or I was like, oh, but maybe I'll wear it, but maybe. And so I feel like having a friend helps so much. So if you have someone that's stylish, that gets it, I would probably recommend getting that person. If you can afford to hire a professional, obviously that's probably better because they can like declutter your closet and also help you style some pieces. So yeah, I'm so happy, and we're done basically. Once I get rid of all the stuff, oh, it's gonna be nice and just fresh start. But thank you all so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and like I said from the beginning, I am gonna start doing more like valuable content on Sundays unless I have something like really interesting going on, because the weekly vlogs were getting a bit repetitive, and all I do, my life is kind of boring. I literally cook, I go to work, I come home, I film, I do like work stuff, and yeah, it's just like an ordinary life. So I just didn't want to like bore you guys with that every week. So this will be better because then every time you watch Sunday vlogs, you'll get something out of it, hopefully. This week, you're gonna go and declutter your closet, and I want you to do it. Like, even if you don't think you need it, I promise you, you're gonna feel so much better if you do it. So just go on out there and declutter your closet. Okay, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Mwah. Bye!